Welcome back to Half A Hot Rods. Today we're working on Wyatt's K5 Blazer. We noticed when he was moving it around the yard that it was clanging and making a lot of noise when he put it in gear. A lot of times that's an indication that we might have a bad U-joint. So we rolled under it and looked at it. I'll show you what we found. Okay. Shut it off. So you could see that the drive line's moving more than the rear end is, and when we get right up under there, you can even see that the joint, you can see there's a shiny part where it's coming apart. So we're going to pull this out. There's just the 1, 2 there, 2 on the other side of the pinion, and then the whole drive line slides out, and we'll swap the U-joints out on the bench. So Wyatt got the drive line pulled out. This is the rear U-joint that was at the rear end, and it should be solid in there. You can see part of the cap is gone, the little needle bearings are gone. This has been going bad for a while. So if you're feeling a vibration in your drive line going down the highway, that's probably why. So the front one doesn't seem bad. That one is, yeah, she's boogered. So some of your joints will have nylon in there that'll help hold them in. You heat it up and it just melts and dribbles out of there. So that's what Wyatt's doing now. Then we'll come back with our little U-joint press. Okay, we got the old one pressed out, the new one pressed in. He's just sliding the snap rings in there or flinging them across the shop. That other one, we put a little grease in it, and it seems like it's good, so we're going to leave it be. Are you going to put that in there, or what?
I get paid by the hour, not the job.
That's not how that works.
Yeah, it is.
Like we're paying?
No. Oh my.
Trust process.
That's crooked. Squeeze it. Boom. Shakalaka. While Wyatt's finishing up the installation of the drive shaft, this is what his U-joint looked like coming out of there. We didn't damage it pressing it out. That's all that was left. So I would say he's had a little vibration for a while, and maybe even a little clunking, because she's pretty chewed up. So we're going to take her out for a ride. Well, we just got back from the test drive, and Wyatt says it's fixed. No more vibration. Running nice and smooth. We spent, how much you spend on the joints, Wyatt? Or the single joint?
$22.
$22 on the U-joint. How much was it to rent the tool?
$160.
Ouch! It was 160 bucks?
Yeah.
But you get all that back,
Yeah,
so
full return.
that's not really money spent. They just want to make sure they get their tool back. But it's back together. That's the first time he's ever done a U-joint. We probably did it in about an hour. And it's fixed. He didn't have to hire a mechanic and do anything else. So until next time, remember, if we can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, comment. Tell me if you got a better way. Thanks. Bye.